guys, in this video I will show you how you can get the Wondershare Filmora Any version for free. So let's get started. This tag is work for every version you are using. So first you have to go to the official site of Wondershare Filmora and download the Filmora. After downloaded, you need to install on your PC. Here you see I have downloaded the setup. You need to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Here you have to select your language. Click on OK. Here you have to accept the agreement. Click on next. Here is the location where it's going to install. Next, and it start installing. This tag is works for every version of the Filmora, whether it's 7, 8 or 8.6 or newer version. You can subscribe the channel below to get the more updates. It take a little bit to install on your PC. I'm pausing the video here. You see, it'll take a little bit. Here it complete. Finishing installation. It's complete. Close it. Launch. Now the next step is you have to go to the control panel, programs. First you have to close the Filmora. Go to the program and feature, and here you have to uninstall the Wondershare Hyper Compact. Uninstall it. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now go open the Filmora. It will take a little bit because it is opening for the first time. Go to the full feature mode. Go to the help. Go to the help, offline activation, and here you have to enter the license email and registration code. I will give you the link. I will give you this license email and registration code in the description. You can copy from the description and paste it here and activate your Filmora for free. I hope this tricks will work for you. If you get any problem, don't forget to comment and I will reply you as soon as possible. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.